Hi, would you like a brand deal? Many people starting YouTube think that brand deals and sponsorships is the way to fund themselves going forward, and it does help. A brand deal is normally something along the lines of a company paying you to shill their product. Now, whether you use that product or whether you're promoting it because it is relevant to your audience, that's a kind of brand deal. Now, that product could be a free chair. That product could be a service, something that you use on a regular basis. For example, I use vidIQ to optimize all of my videos, and titles, descriptions help me ideate ideas for content. But overall, they can be helpful for the bottom line and for the motivation of the YouTuber. But there's a few things that you need to learn. How much are you worth? You may have 300 subscribers, but they might be all very active and they might always buy anything that you suggest immediately. You may have a click-through rate of obnoxious numbers, and that can really help a business. You're seen as a micro-influencer that can push many people in a certain direction just on your whim. This could be via Instagram, Twitter, blog posts, anything really. Alternatively, you may be a mass producer. You may be things like Mr. Beast, in which your niche isn't necessarily the problem here, right? You can make any videos about absolutely anything you want and promote anything you want. What click-through rate is there? How big is your audience? How well do they funnel? But what you need to remember at all times is how much you are worth to them, not how much they should be worth to you. They are buying your audience. That's why they're contacting you. They wouldn't be contacting you if they didn't think that they could get some kind of value out of you. And that is a very defined niche, an audience that you can push to. They like you, they trust you, and you can sell them on the product, the idea. And that's what they are buying, your audience in perpetuity. Once you've mentioned that you are aligned with that brand, they'll continue to think of you aligned with that brand, unless you flat out come out and said, no, I'm no longer with brr. They are buying your time. Do you know how long it takes to make any video? Now, if you're a YouTuber, you may understand this. Imagine if you happen to be some kind of company and you've got a dress that you want to promote. You then have to hire a cameraman, and then you have to write a script, and then you have to produce it and edit it and then upload it and then push it out to people. They're paying you for that time. You need to make sure that that's built in to the arrangement, the cost, the pricing that you are undertaking here. Most importantly, most of the time they're buying your video forever. You've got to remember that that video is going to be uploaded onto your YouTube channel and is likely to need to be staying online for a certain period of time. Some people write in an extended period of time within a contract. Some people in the fine print say in perpetuity, which means they own that forever and they can remix it as long as they want. Some, they understand that after a period of time you might want to remove it, or you might want to keep it up because it might show that that's your relationship with Coca-Cola or Mountain Dew or whoever it happens to be. So these are the things, once again, that you make sure that you have a look at within the deal. How do you get these? Well, either they will get in touch with you. I have a website, I have a YouTube channel, I've got my active blog that's attached to my services website, Twitter, Instagram. These people just will come out of nowhere and they'll suggest things. For me, it happens to be either Amazon reviews or services and products. And then you need to have a look at, is that truly worth it? Is that going to hurt your audience? Is that something that is truly synergistic with your audience? Will they really appreciate you plugging that to them? Or is this such a fantastic deal that, oh, it's fantastic, and you barrel into it? Just pay attention to the fine print. But if they come to you, you've got bargaining power here, even better. Alternatively, if you know that you've got a specific niche, bring your stats together, how many views you're getting, what click-through rates you get on affiliate marketing, what kind of deals you're willing to offer, what kind of audience you can push to people, and go and hunt them. Maybe your channel's entirely about headphone reviews, and you can go to each specific company and go, hi, look, I've got 70,000 subscribers and I constantly review headphones. It doesn't even have to be 70,000 subscribers, but if you've got a very defined niche, you can then go and hunt out specific promoters, specific affiliate arrangements, specific sponsors to help promote your channel, and you promote them. It doesn't have to be one way. You can prove your worth to somebody rather than sitting there waiting for them to come and knock on your door. After all, you can make money on YouTube in many ways. Continue over to this video where I outline every single way you can make money on YouTube and how it can make you money as well.